Our lesson for today is about application of linear equations. So, ibig sabihin, word problems. So, we have here example number 1. The sum of two numbers is 50. If the larger number is 10, less than 3 times the smaller number, find the numbers. Okay, so we need the representation. Let x be the smaller number and y be the larger or bigger number. Okay, so next we're going to analyze and make the equation. So the sum of two numbers is 50. So smaller number, bigger number is 50. Sum. So ibig sabihin, x plus y is equal to 50. So sum, two numbers is x and y. The word is here means equal sign and then 50. Next, if the larger number is 10 less than 3 times the smaller number. So what is our larger number? So larger number is y. So y, okay, the larger number is. So is means equal sign. 10 less than, pabaliktad tayo. So 10 less than 3 times the smaller number. So 3 times the smaller number. Our smaller number is x. So 3x. Multiply si 3 ng x. 3 times. Okay, so those are our equations. So we have equation 1, equation 2. Now, how do we find the value of x and y? So, or find the numbers. So, to find the value of the numbers, we can use, it's either, there are a lot of solutions here. But tonight, we're going to use the substitution. So, since y is already isolated, so we will substitute equation number 2 in equation number 1. So, copy equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 50. Then, substitute natin si y. Ang y daw ay 3x minus 10. So, x plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 50. Next, combine like terms. So, x plus 3x, we have 4x is equal to, copy 50. And then again, if we transpose negative 10 over equal sign, copy, but change the sign. So, negative magiging positive and then 10. So, 4x is equal to 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Then, isolate x, divide both sides by 4, cancel. So, x now is equal to, so 6 divided by 4 is 1. Then, 20 divided by 4 is 5, so 15. So, x is 15. Since we have already the value of x, then we can find the value of y by using equation number 2. We can use also equation number 1, but equation number 2 is easier since y is already isolated. So, y now is equal to 3x minus 10. So, copy 3, substitute x, which is 15, minus 10. So, 15 times 3 is 45, minus 10. Then, y is equal to 35. Therefore, the smaller number is 15 and the larger number is 35. Got it? Okay, so that is an example for an application of linear equation. So I'm going to give you more examples. Okay, example number 2. The perimeter of the rectangle is 30 centimeter and its length is 3 centimeter longer. It's longer than its width. So find the dimension of the rectangle. So let P be the perimeter of the rectangle, and let X be the length of the rectangle, and Y be the width of the rectangle. Okay, so we need to equate now. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 30 centimeter. So remember that the formula for perimeter is P is equal to 2L plus 2 width. Okay, so we're going to substitute this. Okay, so 2L, 2 width, meron tayong P is equal to 2. Our length is X, so 2X plus 2. Our width is Y. Okay, so again, let's read. The perimeter of a rectangle is 30 centimeter. So the perimeter is 30. So this is our first equation. Next. And its length is, what is our length? The length is X. So the length is equal sign 3 centimeter. So 3, going back, 3 centimeter longer. Longer means plus sign. Longer than its width. So what is our width? What? So this is our equation number 2. Okay, you got it? So since we have already our 2 equation and X is already isolated in our equation number 2, so we're going to copy equation number 1. So 30 is equal to 2x plus 2y. Next, substitute x. Okay, so 30 minus 2, our x is equal to y plus 3. So y plus 3 plus 2y. Next, so 30, distributive property of multiplication under addition. So negative times positive, negative, 2 times y, 2y. Next, negative times positive, negative, 2 times 3 is equal to 6, plus, oh, sorry. So this is equal sign pala. Sorry for that. So this is equal sign. My mistake. So let's, okay. So copy. So 2 times y is 2y. Next, positive times positive is positive. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And then copy 2y. Next, combine like terms. So 2y plus 2y. Meron na tayong 4y. Then copy 30. And then transpose natin si positive 6 over equal sign. Magkakaroon na tayo ng negative 6. Next, 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. Is equal to 4y. Divided by 4. Divided by 4. Sorry. Maliit na siya. So, cancel. Y now is equal to 24 divided by 4 ay 6. Okay. So, ang ating y ay equal to 6. Since meron na tayong y, makukuha natin sa x by using equation number 2. Again, we can also use equation number 1, pero using equation number 2 is easier kasi naka-isolate na si x. So, x is equal to y plus 3. Substitute y, which is 6. 6 plus 3. So, x is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, the solution for this is we have x is 9 and y is equal to 6. But, what is the question? Find the dimension of the rectangle. Yes. So, our length is equal to 9. And for our width, we have 6. Okay, so that is the solution for our example number 2. So I'm going to give you the next example, example number 3. Okay, so example number 3, the sum of the width and the length of a rectangular garden is 120 inches. If the length is 3 inches less than twice its width, find the width and the length. Okay, so let W be the width. Let W be the width and Y be the length. Okay, so next, equate na natin siya. The sum of the width and the length of a rectangular garden is 120. So equation number 1, W plus Y, sum of the width and the length is equal sign 120 inches. So this is for our equation 1. How about equation 2? If the length, okay, the length is y. So if the length is 3 inches, going back, 3 inches, less than means minus, twice means 2 times, its width. Our width is W, so 2 times width is equal to 2W. So this is our equation number 2. Since we have already formed the 2 equations, then we will substitute now. Since equation number 2, isolate na si y, so gagamitin na lang natin siya to substitute from equation number 1. So copy equation number 1, W plus Y is equal to 120. So palitan natin si Y o i-substitute natin si Y with its equal value. So ang Y daw ay 2W minus 3. So 2W minus 3 is equal to 120. So 2W plus W is equal to 3W is equal to 120. Of course, meron tayong negative 3 dito. So, si negative 3, transpose natin siya over equal sign. Si negative 3 magiging positive 3. Okay, next. So, 3W is equal to 120 plus 3 is 123. Okay. What's next? We have now 3 and 3. Next, so we have W is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 4, and then W is equal to 41. So, meaning to say our width is 41. Next, let's get the length, or y, I should say. So, we will use equation number 2 since naka-isolate na si y, okay? So, y is equal to 2w minus 3. Then, y is equal to 2. Ang w natin ay 41 minus 3. So, 2 times 41. So, 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 3. So, y now is equal to 3 minus 2, 179. So, y is 79. So, find the width and the length. So, since ang w natin ay si width, so ang width natin ay 41, and then ang length natin ay 79. So, that's the solution for example number 3. So, let's move now for example number 4. Okay, so we have here an application of linear equation. A rope which is 50 meters long is cut into 2 parts such that one part is 6 meters longer than the other. How long is each part? Okay, so gagawa muna tayo ng equation from this problem. So a rope which is, okay, so let x be the first part, and y be the other part. So let's make equation now. A rope which is 50 centimeters long is cut into 2 parts. So the x plus y is equal to 50 meters. Okay? So, cut. So, ibig sabihin, si x and y, this 50 centimeter long is cut into 2 equal parts, which is the first part and the other part. Next, such that one part is 6 centimeter longer than the other. So, let's say the one part is the first part. So, first part, which is x. Okay, let's change the first with 1. Okay, so just put 1 on the top. One part or first part. So, one part, which is x, is 6 meter, going back, 6 meter longer. Again, pag longer siya plus, longer than the other. Our other is y. So this is for equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. Equation number 2, isolate na si x. So gagamitin na lang natin siya para mag-substitute sa equation number 1. So copy equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 50. Substitute x. So x is y plus 6. Then copy. Plus y is equal to 50. Combine like terms, y plus y is equal to 2y equal to 50. Ilipat natin si positive 6 over equal sign. Magkakaroon na tayong negative 6. Then, 2y is equal to 50 minus 6 is 44 divided by 2. Kung ano man yung tabi ng variable, yun din ang number na i-divide natin both sides. Okay? So, y now is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So y is equal to 22. Since we already find the value of y, so we will use equation number 1 or equation number 2 to get the value of x. But since equation number 2, isolate na si x, so yun na lang gagamitin natin para mas madali. X is equal to y plus 6. Next, so x is equal to, ang y natin ay 22 plus 6. So x is equal to 28. Okay, so x is 28. Therefore, ang one part is 28, ang other part is 22. Okay, so gagamitin din natin dito, ginamit natin ang equation 2, di ba? Para mawala yung guni-guni ninyo, kung pwede din ba equation 1, itry natin. So equation 1 is also possible. So x plus y is equal to 50. Then substitute the value of y, which is 22. So x plus 22 is equal to 50. Then x, isolate. So transpose positive 22 over equal sign. Okay, so copy first this one, 50, then positive 22, magiging negative 22. So x now is equal to 50 minus 22 is 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. So x is equal to 28. They are the same. Okay? Okay, so again, I'm going to give you one last example. Okay, for next example, in a class of 35 students, the number of males is 15 more than the number of females. How many males and females are there in the class? Okay, so let M be the males and let F be the females. Okay, so in the class of 35 students, so meron tayong equation number 1, sorry, it must be M. So male plus female is equal to, ilan in one class? 35. This is for our equation number 1. Next, the number of males is male. So the number of male is means equal sign. 15. The number must be on the last part. More than means plus the number of females. Number of females is F. So this is for our equation number 2. Since we have already the two equations from the problem, now we're going to get or answer the question by substituting equation number 2 to equation number 1. Why? Because equation number 2, naka-isolate na si M. So copy equation number 1, M plus F is equal to 35. Next, substitute equation number 2 or substitute M. So ang M natin ay F plus 15. So M is F plus 15 plus F is equal to 35. Next, combine like terms. F plus F is equal to 2F. Why? Wala namang Y. Of course, 1 is in here, but it's invisible. If you can see 1, automatically, there is 1 beside it. Is equal to, copy 35, and then transpose positive 15 over equal sign. Then, ang sign niya ay magiging negative. And then, copy the number. So, 2F now is equal to 35 minus 15, 5 minus 5, 0. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. Then isolate f by dividing 2 both sides, since 2 is a number beside f. 2 divided by 2, 1. So mayroon na tayong 1f or simply f is equal to 20 divided by 2 is 10. Meaning to say that the female in the class is 10. Now, how do we get the number of male? Okay, again, we can use equation number 1 or equation number 2. But I prefer equation number 2 since m is already isolated. So, m is equal to f plus 15. Substitute f, which is 10, plus 15. So, m now is equal to 10 plus 15. We have 25. So, ang male, the number of males in a class of 35 is 25. And the number of females in a class of 35 is 10. Okay, so when we say substitute, change. Okay? Papalitan na daw siya. I-dispose na. Okay, ang laking hugot. Again, so that is how you get the answer in word problem relating to linear equation. Bye and thank you for watching.